Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with essentials and jump straight in. First, confirm the ONU has stable power and front panel LEDs. If LEDs are off, check the adapter and outlet. Next, connect your laptop via Ethernet and log into the admin interface using the provided credentials. Make sure to note the current WAN, VLAN, and SSID settings. Once logged in, take photos of the device label and settings so you can restore them if needed. This saves time and prevents misconfiguration later. Now diagnose the connection and fix misconfigurations. Begin by pinging the gateway and checking link speed and error counters in the interface. These tell you if the line or optics are at fault. If profiles are corrupt, perform a targeted reset or factory reset. Use factory only when you have saved settings. Then reapply ISP configuration including VLAN and PPPoE details. Finally, check firmware. Verify the version, download the official image, and update the ONU carefully. This often resolves intermittent faults. Finish by validating the repair and preparing for follow-up. Perform a full reboot. Power down for 30 seconds, power up, and confirm LED patterns match normal operation. Once done, run sustained speed tests and multiple pings to both gateway and a public DNS to confirm stability. If issues persist, capture system logs and error counters, photograph the LEDs and cable connections, and contact your ISP. Make sure to provide firmware version, timestamped logs, and photos so technicians can escalate efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.